goodness.
Now this is a great gift.
Look, there's smoke coming out of the choo-choo train.
Now can we please, are these all of my presents?
I don't know. It looks like it might be. What in the world?
You know what?
Look at the trains got smoke.
Mama, look, he got a Lego present. Mommy, I can tell.
Shake it. Oh, there might.
It's a Lego. It's a Lego present. Mommy, I can tell this is the Lego calendar. If it's a Lego Star Wars, I'm gonna be amazed because you can get droids and stuff like that. Yeah, but this. What's this? Mommy, this is a present from Santa Claus. It's actually, Mommy, you can't believe it. This is actually,
Oh my.
Who is that?
Mommy, it comes from Jack Sparrow.
You have Captain Jack?
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
look, and he has a compass
We have a
in his
compass.
hand.
Yes.
Oh my God, I love Santa.
Hey, watch out for the choo-choo train. That train is so cool. Do you see that train has a crane and it has a truck on it?
Yeah, watch out for the truck. He has a package.
It is a package, that's right.